In this video, I will show you how to create a subscription-based payment on your form. First, you should create a new product in Stripe. To collect subscription-based payments, your product must be recurring. From here, open your Formaloo dashboard and go to the Payment Methods page. Create your Stripe payment method and then go back to your form. Now in your form editor, open the Settings tab and enable the Form with Payment option. Then select the payment method that you just created on the next option. Now that you have created a Stripe recurring product, open it from the list of products and from the pricing table, find the pricing that you want to connect to Formaloo. Then copy the API ID. Now go to your Formaloo dashboard and open your form. Add a product field with the same pricing and information. Then enable the Stripe subscription option from the properties of this product field. And from here, in Formaloo, you need to create a product and add subscription ID to your product. And you're done!